Hi, I am Srini Babu. Today I am going to discussing about stored procedures in SQL. In this lesson of the SQL tutorial, you will learn the purpose of stored procedures, to create and call stored procedures, to use stored procedure, to drop stored procedures. Actually, in SQL, to execute a group of SQL statements more than once, we can save it within a procedure. Okay. A stored procedure is a pre-compiled object stored in a database. A stored procedure can invoke data definition language and data manipulation language statements, and sometimes stored procedure may or may not return a value. Whenever you create a stored procedure, the name of the stored procedure is stored in the internal table, is called sysobject table. So I am going to discuss how to create a table stored procedure. To create a stored procedure, we will use create procedure command. For that, syntax create procedure name as begin statements for procedure. Here we will write statements procedures and end. This is the syntax for creating the stored procedure. So now we will creating the example of stored procedure. Example. Okay, create procedure name. We can replace our stored procedure name. Example, take sp underscore department as begin statements. Here select name, DPT name from DPT. Here DPT is attribute in the department table. DPT is a department table in SQL. This is the procedure sp underscore db. Whenever the stored procedure is executes, the server compiles the procedure and save it as a database objects. After creating the stored procedure, we can view the code of the stored procedure by using the sp underscore help text. Sp underscore help text command. Whenever you execute this command, you will see the code of that procedure. So guidelines to create a procedure. If you want to create a stored procedure, you must have the create procedure permission to create and execute a procedure in the database, and the alter permission on the schema where the procedure is being created. Okay, you can create the stored procedure only in the current DB. You cannot create in other database. You can create in the stored procedure in current DB. So now I am going to discussing about how to executing a stored procedure. A stored procedure can be executed by using the exec command. For this syntax is easy, or you can use execute procedure procedure name. This is the syntax. For this is the syntax. Example: exec procedure. This is the command. Up to this is the command to execute a stored procedure. And then procedure name. Before we give sp underscore dpt. This is the stored procedure. Whenever we execute this command, the stored procedure will execute. If you want to alter a stored procedure, then I'm going to discussing about altering a stored procedure. If you want to altering, modifying. If you want to modify a stored procedure schema or stored procedure parameters, you can use the command alter procedure command. Alter procedure command. This is the command to alter the stored procedure. Syntax to alter the procedure is alter procedure procedure name. It is simple. Yeah. Alter procedure name. So example: alter procedure name. Previously we have sp underscore dpt now. So as begin, here I am selecting minute. I have no space for creating to show you this here. Alter procedure sp underscore department. This is the previous stored procedure name. Here as begin, select dpt name. Previously we have only dpt name. Here I am taking dpt number from dpt table end. So here we edit, modify. Here we modified the stored procedure using the alter procedure command. Okay, whenever you execute a command, execute a stored procedure is executed and create a stored procedure object. If you want to remove the stored procedure from the database, dropping the sp. To drop the stored procedure from the database, command is drop procedure. Syntax is drop procedure, same like others. Procedure name. Example: now I am going to drop stored procedure sp underscore dpt. Whenever we execute this command, the sp underscore dpt will remove from the current database. Okay. Here Friends,